Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious chili mushroom with an easy guide. First, let's gather our fresh ingredients. You will need about 500 grams of mushrooms, colorful bell peppers, and a medium onion. Don't forget the aromatic ginger garlic paste, a couple of green chilies, and your favorite spices. We'll also use soy sauce, vinegar, and a good chili sauce to build that incredible flavor profile. Now, let's get those mushrooms ready for their starring role. Begin by thoroughly cleaning and slicing your 500 grams of mushrooms into uniform, bite-sized pieces. Next, lightly coat them with about 2 tablespoons of corn flour and a small pinch of salt. This step is crucial for that perfect texture. Then, you can either deep fry or pan fry these coated mushrooms until they turn a beautiful golden brown and are slightly crispy. With our mushrooms prepared, it's time to create the vibrant chili sauce. In a hot pan, sauté 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger garlic paste and 2 finely chopped green chilies until fragrant. Then, add your diced bell peppers and onions, cooking them for about 3 to 4 minutes until they are slightly tender crisp. Finally, stir in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, and your preferred amount of chili sauce for that signature kick. The exciting moment has arrived to bring everything together. Gently add your perfectly fried mushrooms into the simmering chili sauce mixture. Toss everything carefully to ensure each mushroom piece is beautifully coated with the rich, spicy sauce. For a fresh finish, garnish your chili mushroom with plenty of chopped fresh spring onions. Serve this delightful dish immediately as a fantastic appetizer or a side, and enjoy every bite.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.